Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Good Egg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. For any of you who have kids, you know that they keep you busy and on your toes. I've got 2 young boys, and as you can see, they stay very active. And there's all sorts of things that they love and that they're discovering, and that makes me so excited. We started Good Egg Investments with the mission that we wanted to make financial freedom available to anyone who wants it. We get to help spread the message that it doesn't matter what you love, what you're passionate about, you can go do that. But you can also use real estate investing as a vehicle to build your wealth in the background so that you don't have to worry about your finances, so that you can have that passive income coming in every month so that you can do whatever you want with your time. And that's what I want my kids to know as they grow up, is that it doesn't matter what they do. I don't care if they want to be a doctor or a lawyer or a teacher or a humanitarian. Whatever they want to do, that's up to them and that's their life. But what I want them to know as a mother and as an investor is that they can use real estate investing underneath all of that to carry them through so that they don't have to worry about where the money is coming from. So that's what I love about what we get to do day in and day out at Good Egg Investments, is we get to inspire people and we get to spread this message that people can do what they want to do. So hopefully with more people doing what they love, we can change the world one investment at a time. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.